Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crystal jelly. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, sugar, and water. You'll also need any flavorings or food colorings you desire. Make sure you have a clean saucepan and a mold ready for your jelly. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started with the mixing. Now let's combine our dry ingredients. In your saucepan, whisk together the gelatin and sugar. Slowly add cold water, continuously whisking to ensure there are no lumps. This step is crucial for a smooth jelly. Then, place the saucepan over low heat, stirring gently until all the sugar and gelatin crystals have completely dissolved. Do not boil the mixture. Once your gelatin mixture is clear and smooth, remove it from the heat. This is the perfect time to stir in your favorite flavorings and a few drops of food coloring for that vibrant look. Carefully pour the liquid jelly into your chosen mold. Then, transfer the mold to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or until the jelly is completely firm and set. To unmold your beautiful crystal jelly, briefly dip the bottom of the mold into warm water. This helps to gently release the edges. Carefully invert the mold onto your serving plate. If it doesn't come out immediately, a slight jiggle usually helps. Finally, garnish your crystal jelly with fresh fruit, a dollop of whipped cream, or any other delightful topping you prefer. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.